This is experiment 3 of symptoms. Now, I can't promise that this video won't make you dizzy, but it will serve as proof that I did experiment 3 in dancing with nature. And I promise not to narrate this whole thing, but the idea here is that I can explore ecosystems and interdependence within nature and explore movement through space in a way other than conventional forms of dance. By just moving through nature, I can, in essence, dance with nature. Don't necessarily have to be doing pliés or tourgetés or any other form of institutionalized dance. That's simply walking and moving like these children and people in society are doing. They're ultimately dancing the dance of life in nature. So I will try to let you enjoy this view on the way up to the beach. Like I said, this will probably make most people dizzy, and I can't promise that I'm going to be able to hold my arms up for very much longer, but it, like I said, it will serve as proof for experiment 3. Enjoy. One more time?
PetSmart.
PetSmart.
Must be on Dillard.
On Dillard? No.
D-E-L-L-E-R-D.
I'm not. Oh, yes. There's a small one inside the shopping center. So if you go forward, then you can turn right into the parking lot. You're welcome, sir. So people interacting with people, from cars to pedestrians, different ages, depending on each other to communicate and fulfill needs or desires. Pets have to eat, right? And you can get food at PetSmart. In case you don't recognize the landscape, we're in Daly City. Going up to this beach, I don't recall the name, but we will see it when we get up there. It's beautiful. You're in for a treat. Yes, ma'am. The time? Well, that's a good question. The 110 going towards Pacifica? It's 3:12. 3:12? Do you know when the next one is? Let me look at my...
3:12?
3 o'clock and... Sunday. Oh yeah, 4 o'clock. Are you waiting for B?
Yeah.
Let me just double check here. Let's see. Yeah, not till 4:03.
4:03. And now what is the time?
3:13.
3:30.
So it's about an hour.
Yeah, so I have to take the 120.
The 120
Yeah.
towards the Brunswick,
The branch. No. Tolma.
Colma. These all say Brunswick.
Tolma bird. 120.
I don't. Oh. All these say Brunswick from here.
Yeah, Brunswick is going there.
Yeah. Are you sure the Colma one comes here on Sundays?
The other side, Southgate.
Oh, you have to go over there.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe that's.
So anyway, what time is it?
3:15.
3:15. 3:15. I cannot. 3:36.
3:36 on
Yeah,
Sundays?
Yeah. So I have to go another.
Yeah, you got 20 minutes.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Good luck. Hope you're-
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome, ma'am. So, this is exciting documentation we have going on here. Oh, let me turn you around so you're not looking up my nose. Interactions in the environment. The first ones that we really come to during this experiment is human interaction and how people depend on each other to find locations. And there was, at least just in these two experiments, which the variables of why this happened could just be by chance, but both times that someone asked another person for help was an elder, a senior citizen asking a young person, well, I just turned 30, for help. So this, I don't know, there might be something to look into about how senior citizens depend on younger people to find where they need to go. A lot of variables other than age in these incidences. But let's look at the nature of this neighborhood. The grass all looks the same. I mean, the color's a little bit different. Some people water more, I guess. But I guess something to ask about how humans interact with their environment, not just with each other, and building houses for single families. Be that extended family or a smaller family with parents and children, or families. Could also be college students living together, siblings or friends, or a different combination of things. But the point is, these houses aren't built around people living in multiple families of more like tribes, more single family households here in Daly City, as opposed to communes or something of that nature. You can also see in this environment there's a lot of cars. Cars parked, cars driving, cars polluting, lots of cars. There's also trees and other plants, more cars, and buses. We were at the bus stop earlier. Also, humans like to help plants grow as if they can't do it on their own, or guide the way in which they grow. Tethering this plant to wood. Some lovely trash. Got some patriotism over here. Fire hydrants. I guess that's a form of irrigation. Does irrigation mean directing water for any purpose, or is it just for agricultural needs? I don't know. The house over here that decides to put rocks instead of grass, so well, why they did it, I don't know, but certainly don't have to water the rocks. Maybe they do anyway, I don't know.